Okay, folks, a little short unboxing here. Got this from Pit Bullion today. It's been pre-opened. Save a little time. But I got this here. Pit Bullion gold plated this. This is one of my silver jigsaws. I'm just gonna go ahead and touch this thing. No, I'm not supposed to be touching it, but Paul, if you're watching this, this is your Gilded jigsaw. You're all set now. You got the silver, you got the copper. This is number 10. Got the silver, the copper, the silver, the enameled, and now the gilded silver. So you should be in good shape. I want to thank Mike down there at Pit Bullion Precious Metals for helping me out with this little project I've been working on. I got so many people to thank. Silver Picks out there in Indy. Ivan Rash. He's out there, Fort Wayne, Indianapolis too. Just Alice, yeah, we can't forget Alice. Say hello, Alice.
Hello, Alice.
Okay, we're going to try and keep this short and sweet. We'll set this down here. I hope you can get a shot of this. Maybe we'll put something on the back of it a little bit. Where we want to be. Up here. I hope it focuses. I don't know. I'm not very good at these backward videos. Okay, that's about it, folks. We're going to bail out of here. We'll talk to you later.